Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of iHerb app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of iHerb and you will click in this window. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of iHerb, and then here we will update your app if you find updating this blue sign. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.